Good morning guys and happy Monday. I think I've just blinked mascara over my face. Win. I'm at work, as you can see. I'm super tired. Normally I set off for work at 25 to 8 because I live just around the corner from my office. Today we set off at 10 to 7 because of John's work commitments. He's got a crazy few days ahead of him. And yeah, the plan was to go to bed early, but it didn't happen. I'm knackered. We didn't vlog this weekend. We decided to just have a little chilled party for two. And basically what that entailed was wearing pyjamas, and we watched the first two series of Hornblower, which, if you don't know, is a 90s ITV period drama about some chaps in the Navy, and we really enjoyed it. So yeah, it wasn't very vlog worthy, but we had a very lovely weekend. I hope you guys all had a good weekend. Right, I need coffee.
Darwin, what happened?
You're gonna run away. I think the post exploded. Hi guys, and I'm home. And I've been home for ages, like ages. I'm like on the sofa. Little darling. I pooped. I am so tired. I feel like I whinge a lot, but like super run down, like no energy. Like I've got a cold or something, but I haven't. So tired. John's having a really hectic day. He's going to have like until Wednesday. It's going to be quite harsh for him at work. So he's going to be late home. Bless him. My poor little pickle. I don't really have a whole lot to say today. I'm feeling a bit bleh. Elaine put a very brave video up today. Yeah, I just wanted to give her a big hug. Anyway, I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna stop rambling.